Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Um, got a little tutorial on one of the possible ways to fix your Windows 10, 11 computer from not being able to download or update your Xbox games. I happened to be looking for the same thing. I was having an issue, couldn't figure it out for the life of me. Was watching YouTube videos, still couldn't find one that was working. Ended up scrolling through the comment section, and on one of the videos, I ended up finding somebody that actually had one, and I was like, holy crap, it actually worked for me. Still couldn't find any videos on it, so I figured I'd throw one up, and hopefully this can help anybody out that may need it. So what you're gonna do, go to your little search. You're gonna do view network connections right here. From there, you go to whatever your active network connection is. Right click on it, go down to properties, and then from here, you're going to want to just make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is unchecked, like I have it right now. You're going to apply it, okay, and then after you do that, restart your computer. And once you get back in, you should be good if it works for you. Hopefully, this is what you guys needed. But yeah, short, sweet, and let me know if it helped you guys out. Have a good one.